some slime stuff, as you can tell. So, I have purple slime only today, but I will have some more soon. Well, not soon, but never. This is the only slime I have. Okay. So I mixed all my other slimes with this slime because it's like my best and biggest and stretchiest till now. That's why I'm going to be adding this. Okay, that looks better. It says Tree Hut Chef Moisturizing Body Lotion. So good, and it smells so good. Makes your slime smell better. Okay. So this is how much I added. This is how much you need to add if you plan using your slime right now to do it. So I'm mixing it in. You can tell it's getting glossy and it's getting softer too. That's how you make your slime soft. It doesn't make it stretchy. Water makes it stretchy. That's why I have water right here and I can go fill it whenever I need to. Kind of makes it stretchy, but not really stretchy. Like water can do. So I got my water. I'm going to put it in here. Then do that. Okay, then mix it all in. Takes a minute to mix in. A few minutes. This is what makes it stretchier because look how it's becoming, and it can go. See how stretchy? It makes it kind of stickier and clickier too. And it makes more sounds. Watch. Is that good? I love it so much. Okay, I'm gonna add some water to make it more. Not water. Lotion. You can add much lotion. Just don't add like a lot, like to fill the whole slime up. You just need a little tiny piece. I kind of put a little too much on my last one. Well, it's this one exactly, but you put it on hot water. If it starts to rip and stuff, you need to put it in hot water. Or just hot. Yeah, hot. It works way better instead of just cold. I don't like cold water. It hurts. Like, it hurts when it's cold. Like, when it's cold outside, you know how you're starting to get hurt? Yeah. So bad. I don't like it. Ooh, my slime's starting to get softer. I'm going to add something. I'm going to add one of my lip glosses. I'm going to have the blue one. The color is blue, and it's going to make it more glossier. Okay, that's better. That's way enough. Okay, this is how much you need to add if you have gloss. Right there. Okay. If you're all solid, you also make your slime smell like, what does this smell like? Cotton candy. So, maybe you should add a lot to it. So it works. Makes it glossier and better. This is how much you actually need to add. Right that much. About that much, yeah. Let's make it more glossy and smell. Oh! Smells like, slime is scented. Like blueberries. Blueberries plus cotton candy. It, makes it, like caramel. It smells so good. Doesn't make it glossy, but hey, what can I tell you? It's good. And I'm gonna have, great. God, my hands are like really like, you know. And we have purple slime, so it's gonna be purple too. Okay, that's a lot. Way too much. Okay, if you need to add a little tiny bit, because I think I added all mine. Mine only came with a little. And this actually smells like grape now. It's starting to smell like grapes. It's starting to get really stretchy. I think lip gloss helps it actually. Look how stretchy it's becoming to that. Oh. You should definitely add this to your slime, guys. It makes it so... Look how satisfying this is. I bet y'all can hear that. And then watch this. Watch. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. Like how? Kind of like a slime bubble, I think it's called. Oops. Oops. I had to second it. Just one more. We have to add one more, and that makes it way better. Okay. Way more than enough. Perfect, actually. Which one does this smell like? This is supposed to smell like bubble gum. Look how cool that is. Like, it's so stretchy right now. Like, oh my gosh, I've never seen this much stretchy slime in my whole entire life. Okay, add some lotion. Lotion. Done. This is how much you need to add. You can add as much as you want, just not a lot. Look how stretchy that is. Ugh, I can't get over the stretchiness. Oh, it feels so good. Okay, I don't know, this might not work. I haven't tried yet, so let's see. Sorry, guys. Okay, so this twirl. This is about how much you need. Then you need to grab like something really sharp, like scissors. Cut it. And look, that's what you need. That's how much you need. And squish it. Then add it in the slime. I've actually never tried this recipe before, so I hope it works. I hope it doesn't make my slime super stiff. It's stiff right now, but it's gonna get better. Yep, it's making it way better, like way better. Look how good that looks. Okay, I'm gonna add some water to it. Okay, I just added water. I'm gonna mix it in now. Everything else that we need. Look at this, guys. I'm gonna make a slime bubble. Okay, I'm gonna make a slime bubble. Okay. Make it. Oh, okay, it's going up, it's going up, it's going up. Dang it. It's because of the stupid holes that's going in it. Look how good that looks. So squishy. So I'm gonna add some more lotion. This is what makes it better. This is what makes the slime way better. Keep on squishing it like this. Keep on rotating hands. Look how stretchy I made it. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna make it a swirl. Actually never made a swirl before. So guys, wish me good luck on my swirl. Oh, that was terrible. Let's try it again. It's starting to rip. It's starting to rip. Oh no, we don't want that to rip. my slime to rip. If it rips, that means it's bad. But if it doesn't rip, that means it's good. Mine ripped a little, but it's alright. So guys, did you see how like not so stretchy and squishy my slime was before? Now look at this. That is so stretchy. Like, oh my god. Okay, stop falling. Stop, stop, stop. Okay. Okay, you gotta flat it down with your hand. Okay, flat it down with your hand, the slime. Okay, and then you lift it up like this. Okay, hang on, that side is not working. Okay. Okay, now I think this will work. Look, it's not a good slime. Let's make kind of slime. Okay, we're gonna add some of this now. Way a lot of this. So much. A lot of this. And then a lot of this. Okay, perfect. So I added all three. Now I'm gonna mix them in. See what kind of slime it makes. Kind of like, it smells really good, I heard. Hopefully it does. Oh, it's starting to smell like caramel. And now it's going to smell like bubble gums. Oh no, it's starting to rip. I got hot water right here. It's alright. Okay, it's alright. Just added hot water to it. It could work if you put a towel. Nope, just makes it stick to the towel. Oh Jesus, no. You get something to get this off the towel. No. Oh, it's stuck. Get that off. It's fine right now. I don't care. I'm not getting onto the road. Okay, I just added it. The hot water. Hot or cold water works. I added cold water and it worked. So, add cold water or something and it made it my slime super duper stretchy, glittery, and glossy. That's a little too much, but whatever. I use it. This is my container for my slime. I have lotion in it. So I added lotion just now to it. Make it better. Make my slime way better. If it's in there, it's got some lotion. This is my slime. Holds my slime for me. So when I take it out, look at it. That's your slime. And then also, yeah, that's all I had. I just didn't want to use a bag. Just look how slime it is. It's not even sticky. It's super stretchy. And it's the same color as that other slime. That new special slime? Well, it is a new special slime, but look how stretchy it is. It looks so good, doesn't it? It's squishy. Squish. Squish! Okay. A little blush to it. Ooh! That might work. And whatever I want to it. Make it look better and be better. Okay, perfect. So that's how much you need to add, kinda, I think. Yeah. Make the slime good and better. What I better, could add this. Makes it stiff. Then you add the water. The water makes it better. I'm going to add a little water to my container right here. Okay, that's a little too much. That's alright. Okay, a minute. Put it right here. What about the slime group? Slime group. No. They need to. We're not part of the slime group anymore. slime. But so did I. So. Oh no! Then what about the people who want to play slime? So can't play with it. No slime deck. No slime deck. No slime. Maybe people friends. Look, it's in my slime. Ooh, what do you think is in here? My slime or my lip gloss? Which one? Which one? Do you think it's the lip gloss? Look now. Oh, slime. Next time you should say it. Who said slime? No. Everyone else said lip gloss. Fine. Count it right. But everyone else count it wrong. Oh, my slime feels so good right now. That's a little too much, but I hope it works. Like, way better than the last lotions that worked. None of my lotions ever work. I will in a minute! Come on. I'm trying to get the slime to be like, you know, get that water in there. All that lotion in there. There we go. There's my slime. There's my slime. Okay. Whoa. Looks so cool. It's so sticky though. It's getting stickier. Look how cool my slime is. You guys should do that my recipe at home. Look how stretchy I made it. I made it so stretchy. Okay. Okay, that's what this looks like right now. Till there's a big old slime bubble that comes its way. Big old slime bubble coming its way. Hey. Uh-huh. Okay. I just added some blush. Blush makes it way better. If you don't have any like makeup or something, don't add it. Don't steal your mom's makeup. Definitely don't. If your mom's home, don't do it. If your mom isn't home, do it if she leaves her makeup bag. If your mom doesn't leave her makeup bag, wait till she gets home. If you do have makeup, just go ahead and do it. I know you guys can't see my slime, but now you can. Now you can. Look how good this slime is. Wait guys, I want to show you something real cool. Watch. Oh. I am in a second! Okay, this is my slime. Okay. Put it back in the container. I gotta go to my dad. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please subscribe and blah blah blah. Bye.
so cool. I love it. I love yours.
Bye.